Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica Janae. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on, and leave a comment down below once this video is over. If you're returning, welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to be doing a swatch and demo of a eyeshadow palette that I purchased from the beauty supply store. Like, I was walking around, like I wasn't even there to buy anything. I had actually went with my mom to help her, and as I was walking to the register, I seen a little small palette, and I was like, $2.99? Okay, $2.99, and it looks like that. So of course I was intrigued and I had to go ahead and purchase. $2.99, you know, the look of it, sometimes you can kind of look at things and kind of tell if it's going to be good or not. But from what I seen for $2.99, I was just like, wow, $2.99, like this is interesting. And I you know, I had really good feelings about it. So this is the palette right here that I purchased. It's actually eyeshadow and blush palette. The brand is, I think is it Nika? Is it Nika? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is the palette right here. Let me see. There are 4 blushes in here, and there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eyeshadows. Of course, it's a non-pan palette, but yeah, there's 4 blushes and 5 eyeshadows. Of course, I already used this one. I already used this once because I just had to test it out. Like, it was looking so good. Like, I was like, I'm not gonna be able to wait to wear this on, wear it now. And it was actually really good. But I actually used the blushes as eyeshadows. I mean, it went on, and crazy enough, because it has like a red and a pink in it, in this palette, which those are blushes, I was actually surprised when I put them on my my lids or whatever, and I went to wash my face once my day was over. The eyeshadow didn't stain. It didn't stain. So I was actually really surprised, because I was like, watch my eyes be like stained pink or whatever, pink and red, and it actually wasn't. So that's a good thing. This palette is only $2.99. Of course, it kind of reminds you, of course it reminds you of like the Huda Beauty. I mean, who hasn't copied her yet? But this is it right here. Like, this is the bomb. Okay, now when I was in the store, there were 2 other palettes. Wait, I'm trying to think, were there 2 or 3 other palettes? I think they only had 3 palettes, but I think it's a total of maybe 5 or 6 palettes of these, you know, this little collection. I think they might have been out for a while. This is definitely a fall palette. It's Poison Apple, and the other 2 palettes I've seen were one of them was Autumn. I think it was Autumn Spice. And yeah, Autumn Spice and Birthday Cake. Birthday Cake was just kind of like that rainbow type palette. It was actually really cute, but I wasn't looking for that right now. I kind of want to get the Autumn palette, but you know, I was just like, it was just like kind of like the golds and the browns, you know, like the burnt oranges. And I was just like, you know, I like it, but I think I was more, you know, intrigued by this one because of the pink and the red. So, you know, I just kind of had to get it. But I'll quickly swatch this really fast. I don't know, I guess I'll swatch it like right here. Somebody had left down in my comment section that I need to shave my arms. I'm not shaving my arms, okay? I'm perfectly fine with the hairs on my arms. So let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna start with the top row right here. And the top row is all eyeshadows. So we have like a really, and they don't have any names on them, so you know, it doesn't come with a name, but for $2.99 it's not gonna come with a name. So this is the first color, which is like this pink. Let me see. Look at it, $2.99? Really? Alright, the second color is like a reddish. It's almost like a copper. It's like a copper. Kind of reminds you of Copper Ring by MAC. Watch this. $2.99, y'all. $2.99. Come on. All right, the third color just right here. It kind of looks like Expensive Pink by MAC. Let's watch that one. And this is it right here. Come on, $2.99. Like, I really want to go back and grab, like, I really want the whole collection. Okay, so the second row is actually, let's see, this is a blush right here, and these two are eyeshadow. So let's watch the blush. So now we're going to start with the blush. And I actually wore one of these blushes, like I wore as an eyeshadow and I wore it as a blush. Oh, it's so pigmented. That is a blush. That is a blush. That is insane. Alright, so it's like a burgundy, like a, well, like a plum. And then the second color is right here. It's almost like a, it's almost like a reddish, copperish color. Let's swipe. And this is an eyeshadow right here that I'm putting on now. That is great. $2.99. Like, how did they manage to get the price? Oh my gosh, this is crazy. So this is an eyeshadow right here, and this is like a burgundy. It is more like a, it's like a burgundy plum, I guess. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm gonna keep saying it. So the last row is two. Oh, the last row is all blushes. These are all blushes. So this is like a red right here. That is the red. That is crazy. And in the middle color is a blush as well. It's like a shimmer. And it's like a pinkish kind of plum. And this is it right here. That is insane. Look at that. $2.99. Ladies and gentlemen, please run out to your local beauty supply store and grab these palettes, okay? And then the last color is like a pink. That's what made me pick it up, because it's like a hot pink. Look at that. And crazy. Insane. Oh, and they look good against my skin complexion. Okay, look at that. I know people will say, I have all these colors in my palette. But, you know what I'm saying? Your eyeshadow palettes might be old now. Might be time to re-up. Okay? And for $2.99, you can't beat that. And you won't feel bad about the price. Like, this is literally, this is my favorite color here. Which is that pink blush. Okay, so I just zoomed in a little bit. Let's go ahead and get started, because this is $2.99. I couldn't, like, I really wanted to get all of them while I was there, but, you know, I was just like, you know what, just wait, you know what I mean, let's just try it out first before, you know, you decide that, you know, that you need them. Really don't need them, but, you know, I wanted them because they're only $2.99. Like, you can't beat that. So I think I'm gonna start with this red blush here. Do something with it. So I'm just gonna build it. Look at that. Come on. And I don't have any like eyeshadow primer or anything like that on. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. This is insane. Look at that. Insane. So I mean, this is just a blush, okay? This is just a blush, but you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I use it as an eyeshadow, and it didn't stain. I haven't noticed any patchiness when I use this palette. Like when I'm applying, like everything just kind of blends out, you know, seamlessly. And this is just like one, you know, stroke across the palette. So I only did one stroke, and this is the payoff that I get from just doing one stroke. I already used the red, so now I'm gonna go in with this like plum like color, and just kind of go in my crease. Just kind of stamp that in there. Ooh. And like I said, this is just blushes right here that I'm using, but I'm pretty sure you can use them as eyeshadows as well. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I just, like, I'm amazed at the fact that this was only $2.99 and I'm just getting such a great payoff, and I'm not even using that much product. That's the crazy thing. And it's not patchy. Like, who gives them the right to bring such a cute palette out for them? Well, you know, online on the website it was $3.99, but when I went to my beauty supply store it was only $2.99. So, you know, I don't want any false you don't want to put any false advertising on it, but I did only pay $2.99. So I mean, I might better hurry up and go back and grab them before they up the price on such an amazing product. So I think I'm gonna go with this color here, which is like it's like a rose gold type, and like I said, it kind of looks like copper and a little bit from MAC. So let's apply. Oh my gosh, oh, man, I tried to put one of my friends on to this eyeshadow palette, and she was like, no, she just want to use that Jackie Aina palette. I'm outdone. Like, this is crazy. $2.99. $2.99. And guess what? Oh, you know, some people make such a big deal about like fallout. I don't even got no fallout. I mean, if somebody else used it, they may have fallout, but I don't have any fallout right now. Honestly, I'm just kind of dipping back in a little bit, but I don't need it. I'm just, oh my god, like, this looks like a luxury. I won't say luxury, but it looks like a very expensive, not very expensive, but it looks like a really, you know, it looks like an expensive palette, like something I would purchase if I was going like Sephora, Ulta, you know, one of those stores. Like, this is freaking insane. Like, if you are a person that's like, you know, kind of beginner friendly with makeup, or, you know what I'm saying, like, you know, you just don't have a lot of money to spend, or you just are a person that don't like to spend a lot of money, like, this palette is for you. Like, I promise, it's for anybody. But like this, and these make such great gifts. Like, I would probably rack up on these now and give them away as like Christmas gifts, like little stocking stuffers. Like, I mean, honestly, if a person didn't go in a beauty supply store, or didn't know anything about makeup, they wouldn't know the difference between this and something expensive, you know what I'm saying, if they had never seen this brand before. But this is crazy, 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 crazy. So I'm just gonna go back over with this color here, which is like a blush. I mean, it is a blush. I mentioned that like 1,000 times, but I'm just kind of gonna go back and kind of just put it in my crease a little bit, kind of darken it back up. This is insane. I want to kind of do my lashes and mascara or whatever, and I'll be right back because that's not really important right now. And I'll come back and I'll continue to use this palette again, and I will give you, you know, my final thoughts. So I'll be right back. So I went ahead and I finished up my lashes, mascara, eyeliner, you know, etc. So now I'm gonna go back to the palette. I'm going to go back in with the same color. I love this color. So like I said, it's just a blush, and I'm just gonna kind of do my lower lash. I didn't put any eyeliner, which I think I might. I don't know. I don't know if I really need it. Nah, I won't do no eyeliner. I don't want to look too dark. Oh my gosh, this is $2.99. Go run and get it. I really want to use this color here, this pink. It's a blush. I'm just gonna put it in my what is this? The inner tear duct. I don't know if it's gonna show up, but we're gonna try it because I really want to use this color. I just like it. I used it on my lid and it came out pretty good. So, oh, you can see a little bit. Nothing to go crazy over. I didn't even have to do that. Yeah, might have been a little bit unnecessary, but this is gorgeous. And so now I'm going to use the blush part. We'll use the blush. So I don't know if I'm gonna do this. Well, I really don't know which blush to use. I guess I can go with the same color that I used before, because I really like this color. I don't know what to do. The pink, the red. The pink, the red, or this color here. We're gonna try this. It was more like a pink, like a rosy type pink. So let's try it. So there's the pink. That's what it looks like on, and it's actually really pretty. So I just made a pretty good decision. Please, whatever you do, if you decide to use these as blushes as well, just dip a little tiny bit, because these are pretty pigmented and you will be looking real foolish with all that blush on your face. See, I only had a little tiny bit, and this is the payoff I got, because I don't want to go too, I don't want to have too much, because you know, you start looking like really rosy and pinky. See, I went just a little heavy, like I said, it's a little pink. I feel like I put a little too much right here. Maybe I add a little too much all over. If you're, you know, brown skin, dark skin, this is definitely like not a palette you have to be scared of using. Like, you see, I got a great payoff, and I'm pretty dark skinned, so you know, it kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like on somebody that's brown. You know, like a deep, no, I won't say deep dark, but you know, like a, you know, brown to dark girl. So kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like. So it does have a great payoff. I mean, I'm super satisfied with this palette. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, that is it. Okay, so I'm finished now. I am so like impressed by this palette. $2.99. I know I done said it like 1,000 times in this video. Count how many times I said in the video, okay? Drinking game alert. I'm just playing. But yeah, I know I said it a lot of times. But yeah, this, I really want to go grab the other two palettes. Well, I don't know if I really want them, but I don't know. I'll think about if I'm gonna grab the other two palettes. I kind of think if I don't grab both of them, I think I'll grab one of them. I don't know. I'm lying. I think I don't know. It's gonna be quiet right now. But yeah, definitely, I've already recommended this throughout this entire video, so of course you already know I recommend this palette. Great payoff, no patchiness, $2.99. This is great if you have these same exact colors in the palette, and maybe your palette is a year or two old, you know what I'm saying, you need to like kind of, you know, update your shades, your colors, whatever. This will be a great way to, you know, kind of you know, replenish your, you know, eyeshadows, colors, whatever. But yeah, I am completely like, I am just amazed at $2.99. like, I just don't know what to say. I really don't. Definitely run and get this palette. Like I said, if you go online to the website, which I will link the website down below, if you go online, there's more options. Like I said, when I went to my beauty supply store, I only had 3 options, which were, you know, the 2, I guess they're fall palettes, and I have one of them, and then there was like a birthday cake palette. And so, I mean, that was the only options that I had. Also, leave some eyelash brands down below if you're watching this video. If you get this far, leave some brands down below, because I've been wearing the same eyeshadow, I mean not eyeshadow, the same eyelash style for like, I don't know, it's been a long time. This is literally one of my favorite eyelashes. Is E11 from AliExpress. But I mean, I have other eyelashes or whatever, but I just like these a whole lot. I really like wispies, but I haven't been wearing those. I've always been wearing these for like almost heck, for like almost a year now. The same one, I mean not the same ones, but you know, the same style. But yeah, leave some recommendations down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.